Guys, Dumbbell here, and today I'm doing a little video on this iPod 5th generation. I'm going to have it just on the top of this. I'm going to just around and put on top of just what I'm on it and see what happens. So let's do it. I'm going to be putting a video, obviously. Okay, so as you can see, there's one here. Just see how there. Cute. So okay, so see how it did. It's pretty. So yeah, pretty bad. It's still got inside. Okay, thanks for watching.